Hello everybody, if you're new, I'm Soraya, and if you've been here for some time, welcome back. So guys, it's been 2 weeks, haven't it? I am so sorry, but yeah, sometimes mommy lives just take over, guys, and yeah, it can get very difficult to film, but nevertheless, you're always in my mind. And matter of fact, how are you guys? That's a question I never ask you guys. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're in good health, which is most importantly. Yeah, as you can see, guys, I have a new hairstyle. This is different, isn't it? Yeah, I'm trying new things. Yeah, I usually don't do anything different with my hair. It's always that signature hairstyle, like loose wave and side parting. But yeah, this time around I'm trying new things, even though I have to get my hair done. That's one of the reasons why I'm also trying new things. But yeah, nevertheless, I'm kind of liking this vibe. It gives me more of that polish and sophisticated look that I am digging in at the moment. Not to mention it's low maintenance. You know, when you're a mom and having to keep up with the curly wand, etc. Yeah, I just realized it now. It's very low maintaining. I should try this more often. Okay, guys, yeah. So for this video today, we're going to do something different. I'm bringing you another hair tutorial. Yes. So I've been watching lately the spring summer runway looks or runway shows basically. Yeah, and yeah, I've been looking at some of the hair and they are on top of the game. Yeah, from braids, most of them is more of the updo, lower ponytail braids, less like glamorous hairstyle. So I've decided to pick a few that I like and share it with you guys. Some of them I can do it myself, and I think it will be very useful for the upcoming season. Festive season right around the corner, and Thanksgiving is right around the corner. It's a big thing for the Americans. Woo woo. Not so much for the UK people, but yeah, we still celebrate in a way. With Black Friday, which I'm so looking forward to it. Yeah, this is some of my favorite and picks. Things that I can do it myself, still very polished and very stylish. I've noticed that on the runway, there's still a lot of embellishment and pearls and a lot of hair accessory going on still. So I've created all the hairstyles around that trend. I do hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are interested, keep watching. is it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below which of the hairstyles was your favorite, which one would you replicate. And yeah, if you do decide to replicate one of my hairstyles, or one of the hairstyles I've just done, please tag me on Instagram so I can repost you. Yeah, so yeah, it will be nice to just see what you guys came up with. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, like this video so everybody can see it, share it, and don't forget also to press the bell icon next to subscribe so you don't miss anything. So until the next video, bye.